Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to week 7 of our 410 class. We are going through this thing so fast. This is crazy. We just we just have a couple more weeks left, guys. It's going crazy fast. So this week we are working on our MIR topic proposal. This is the formal proposal for our topic. So you've done some work looking at topics, kind of discussing them, playing with those ideas, building an annotated bibliography. This is where your formal proposal comes in. And this is your chance to really make a solid case, give me a really good picture of what we're looking for here in our MIR. So big point assignment, 100 points, as we go into creating a proposal. Proposals are a pretty standard form of professional writing, particularly if you're in any field that works with grants, like you have to make grant proposals to get funding in a lot of scientific fields and a lot of research fields, even folks out at like the Hanford site in the Hanford area, because some of that work, lots of that work, is government funded and government sponsored. You have to write a lot of proposals if you want to start a new project. You have to write a lot of papers to prove that like your project was worthwhile. So proposals are a pretty standard kind of document in a lot of different workplaces. So it's good to get a little bit of practice creating in this kind of very structured format. So an MIR proposal has several subsections, and I want to take a look at that here. So the first one is an introduction. This is going to be where you're telling us about the topic of your MIR. Why is it significant? All that good stuff. Then we're going to get an overview of current theory. You're like, wait, this sounds a little familiar. Oh, it is because we did that in our review of sources and with our annotated bibliography. So you've got a little overview of current theory. You're going to put your review of sources into the document, and then you're going to put your annotated bibliography into this document, and then you're going to put your planned interviews of the two managers, and then your informant profiles, and then let me know some interview questions, and then your references. So while you take a look at this document, you're like, this is huge. This is going to be a lot of work. It is a lot of work, but it's a lot of work you've already done, which is fabulous, and which is the way that this class is built so that you don't get hit with like these insane projects. We're slowly spacing them out. Everything we do builds as we get closer to the end of the quarter. So yes, you do have to write an introduction, but you've pretty much already done your overview of current theory. You've done your review of sources. You've done your annotated bibliography. You've done your planned interviews, or you at least know who you're going to interview. You've got those profiles, that information all together, and you just have to come up with 5 well-crafted interview questions, and then give me your references in APA format, and you're good to go. And then this document is going to look amazing because it's going to be like 10 pages, and you're going to be just wowed and astounded with your own brilliance. It'll be terrific. So that's how this is all coming together in an APA formatted proposal for the management investigation report. We have a lot of documents that can help us out in the modules folder. So if we scroll down to our proposals, the thing that's probably going to be most helpful is this layout sample, because you've already got most of the document pieces spread around. So this will show us how to pull all those pieces together in a really clear and concise way. So you can have an image up here if you want. You don't have to. Then proposal for, and then tell me your topic, your name, the college, the date. Sorry, mom duty called. And then we've got a little author's note that's just saying you're preparing this document for me. A short abstract. This is a tiny, tiny summary of what the document is meant to accomplish. And then you're going to jump right in with your introduction, overview of current theory, and so on and so forth with your review of sources, and then your annotated bibliography, and then your information about your informants, what questions you want to ask them, and then your references. And by the time you're done, you will have a substantial document. How big is this one? This one's 16 pages. So lots of great work represented in this document. Make sure you are following that format though. You've got the subheadings, it's all in APA style. Your citations are in APA, you've got references, all of that good stuff. We want to make sure we're hitting all of those marks because those will be a part of the rubric used to grade the assignment. And that, in a nutshell, is what we're doing this week. We are compiling all of that information, formatting it, and submitting that proposal. As always, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Otherwise, happy writing and compiling, and I'm looking forward to seeing how these proposals come together for you.